Hello guys, this is Vaibhav Tiwari. Today I am going to show my RESTAPI application which I have created in Spring Boot. I have created three Spring Boot applications, that is Employee REST API, Student REST API, Doctor REST API. To build this application, I have used STS IDE, Embedded Database H2 and JPA repository, and to test these APIs, I have used Swagger tools. We can also test our API through Postman. So we will first see our first application, that is Employee REST API. To run this Employee REST API application, we have to first go to our STS, that is Spring Tool Suite, and run our project, run as Spring Boot application. As you see that our application is started on port number 8080. Now we have to follow step number 2, that is now we have to open our browser and enter URL to see the data in database. So we'll go to browser, localhost, H2 console, enter, connect. So here no data is available. So now we'll go to step number 3, that is now we have to open a new tab in browser and enter URL for Swagger UI. As I have earlier said that Swagger is a tool to test our API. So we'll go to browser, new tab, localhost, Swagger UI HTML. Here our employee REST API controller is available. So we'll click this. Our all REST API are listed here. So we will first go to post method because no data is available there. So we have to push data. So we'll push data. ID will be 101. Name Vaibhav. Age 23. Salary 25,000. Try it out. So one data is inserted. We will insert one more data. Vaibhav, Amar 24 and 35,000. Try it out. So two data is inserted. So we will see the two data by using get all employee API. So we'll click this get method and try it out. Now you see that both data are available here. So we have seen get method, post method, and now we'll see get method by ID for a specific record. So we will see here employee, we have to enter employee ID, that is 101, enter. See here only 101 Vaibhav, age 23, salary 255 is display here. If we want to display Amar, so we have to give their ID here. So we have seen get method by get all employee, post method save employee which is used to insert data, get method by two data is inserted. So to see that two data we'll go to get method, that is get all employee API. So we'll click this, try it out. So these two data are available here in the JSON format. So we have seen get method, post method, and now we will see get method which will retrieve data by employee ID, that is for a specific data. So we will give here 101, enter. It is giving only single data, single record, that is ID 101, name Vaibhav, age 23, salary 25,000. So we will see one more record. that is id 102, name Amar. As we have seen, get method, post method, get method by id. Now we will delete our data. So for to delete our data, we have to input our employee id. So I will delete 101, enter. One data is deleted. To see this, we will go to, so here no data is available. We can see also in database only one record is here, 101 is deleted. So now we will see put method, that is update employee. So we'll see here, we'll copy this structure. Age will be 23, id will be 102, id will be same. We will change name Amar from Anil. Salary will be 32,000. So to update the detail we need here id. So we'll give 102, enter. Means try it out. So we'll see this by get method. See here id 102, name change from Amar to Anil. Salary change from 35,000 to 32,000. Now we will test some API through Postman also. So we'll go to Postman. We'll type it here localhost colon 8080 slash API slash employees slash 802. So we'll fetch all data first. Here only one data is available. So here get method works. Now we'll see put method. Now we'll see put method. So we will here put, we'll copy this data, we'll go to body raw, we'll insert this data through JSON format. Age will be 25, salary will be 18,000. Now we'll send this, and you see that status code is 200. Okay, that is, it means it is updated. So we'll check this through get method. As you see, there salary 18,000, age is 25, that is updated. We will check in database also. Go to here age is 25, salary is this. So as you see that the API is working on both tools, so we can use both tools for that. Swagger tools is a GUI tools. So to test our API, it is easy to use. So that's why I have implemented this Swagger tools. To implement this, I have used here one class we have to create, and we have to give some configuration and our controller only qualified package name. So before this, we have to give some configuration in form.xml file. We have to add this both dependencies from mvn repository springfox swagger UI. Adding this both dependency, we have to create a class. So now we will see our next Spring Boot application, that is student REST API. So we'll go our STS, and we'll run our project, run as Spring Boot application. As you see that our application is started on port number 8080. So we will go to browser, we will open our database, that is embedded database. H2 will connect to this database, and so here no data is available. So now we'll open our Swagger. So now we'll click this controller, and all APIs are listed here. So first we will push our data into our application. So we'll give ID 1, name Deepak, age 20, branch computer science CS, that is uh, address Hyderabad. Okay, one data is inserted. Now we'll insert more data. Sandeep 21, that is mechanical, and Bangalore. We have inserted two data. We will see in our database. Here two data is inserted successfully. So now we will see our get all student API. So we'll click this get method and try it out. So here all the records are retrieved here. So we have seen two APIs, that is save student by post method, get all student by get method. So now we'll see get student by ID by get method. So for that we have to give ID. So I will give ID 2 and try it out, and the data is retrieved here. To retrieve a specific data we are using this API. So we'll change our ID. So here you can see that Deepak is retrieved. So we have seen three APIs: get all student, save student, get student by ID. So now we'll see student by put method. So I'll click this and we'll copy this structure, and now we'll change address from Bangalore to Hyderabad, no, Bhopal, and age will be 22, branch Tripoli, and SID equals to 2, and name will be Avinash. So we have to give ID here. So I will give ID 2. I have to update the student whose ID is 2. So we'll try it out. So that is updated. We can see here. So we'll give ID here 2. As you can see that name is changed, Avinash, and branch is also changed from computer science to triple E. It is reflected on our database also. So we can run again. So as you can see that from Bangalore to Bhopal, 23 to 22, and mechanical to triple E, name is changed from Sandeep to Deepak. So we have seen get all student, save student, and get student by ID, update student. So the last we have to see delete student, that is by delete method. So for that we have to give ID. So I will delete Avinash, that is his student ID is 2. So I will try it out here. So it is deleted. So we will verify by this and try it out. Only one student is retrieved here. So we can test in our database also. Here we can see that one record is deleted, that is Avinash is deleted, and only Deepak is left. So we can see, yeah, we have seen all the APIs, all are working fine. So we have seen all APIs, all are working fine. Now we'll see our next Spring Boot application, that is Dr. REST API. So we'll now go to our STS and now we'll run our project, run as Spring Boot. Our project is started on port number 8080. We'll go to here and we'll open our database also and Swagger API also. So we'll connect to Doctor database. As you'll see, and no. So first we'll click this. Now we'll push some record through post method. So we'll give ID 1301. There will be fusion specialist orthopedics experience 12 years, qualification MD. Let's try it out. So one record is inserted here. So now we'll add one more record, Mehta and cardio cardiologist. Experience will be 15 years and MBBS. Try it out here. So here two records are inserted here. You can verify through get all doctor API. So click this and try it out here. As you can see that both records are listed here. So it means save doctor and get all doctor is working fine. So now we'll see get doctor by ID. So we'll click to this get method and we have to give some ID. So we'll give ID 302. Try it out. So as you can see that one record is listed here, that is Mehta, and if we want to retrieve Dr. Bhushan, so we have to give his ID. Try it out. As you can see that 301 is listed here. So we have seen get all doctors, save doctors, and get doctor by ID. Now we'll see update doctor. So we'll click to this put method. We will copy this structure. Experience will be 18. ID will change Mehta. So we have to give ID 302. Name will be Mehta only. Name will be same. Qualification will be MD from MBBS to MD and specialist from orthopedics. And we have to give here 302. Try it out. So the record is updated. We can verify through get all doctors API. So try it out here and see here. Mehta, Dr. Mehta specialist is changed from cardiologist to orthopedics. Experience from 15 years to 18 years. Qualification from MBBS to MD. So it means our get all doctor, get doctor, update doctor, save doctor is working fine. Now we have to see delete doctor through delete method. So for that we have to give ID. So we'll delete Dr. Mehta. So 302. Try it out. Dr. Mehta is deleted. We can verify it through get all doctors. and I'll try it out here. As you can see that only one record is showing here, that is Dr. Bhushan. Dr. Mehta is deleted. So we can see our database also. So only one record is exist here. So so it means all APIs are working fine. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.